Hi, Mayuri. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good, because you're about to go do what?
Skydive.
You're going to go skydive. You're going to jump out of an airplane.
I know, right?
I know.
Scary, but I'm so excited.
Whose idea was this to come do this?
Mine.
Yours?
Yes.
You're the culprit? You're the ringleader of the group?
I have all my friends along.
Oh.
I'm telling the truth.
What do you mean? What do you mean, lies?
Why did you plan this out?
I did plan this out.
All this.
All right, well, this is a great idea. All your friends are going to have a great time. We're going to go jump out of a plane and fly around
Awesome.
about 120 miles an hour toward the planet. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's go have some fun.
Yay.
Woohoo! Yeah.
There you go.
How'd you like that, huh?
That's awesome.
You just jumped out of an airplane. Pretty cool, huh?
Yes.
All right, all right. Thanks for jumping with us at Skydive Elsinore.
Thank you. That was so much fun.
Yeah.